press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello my dear students, welcome back to the classroom. We have been discussing about the chapter garbage in and garbage out. In the previous class we will learn about the terms recycling. See, recycling is nothing but the used materials which is thrown as a waste, which can be again reused, and see, this term is nothing but the recycling. In the previous class we also learnt about the different types of recycling things like plastic, like glass, metals, and even the paper. Paper also we can recycle. See, recycling of paper. As I told you, there are many types of recycling process will be there. Among them, paper is one of the recycling of the paper is one of them, where it is one of the biodegradable substance, where decomposition will be takes place by the action of the microorganisms. And see, why we should recycle the paper. There are varieties of reasons will be there. See, I will write on the board now, in which first one is the recycling of the paper, which saves the trees, and nearly about 90% of the trees are cut down for the purpose of paper, that is for cut for the wood, and from the wood paper will be produced, and so that it will save the trees. See, recycling of the paper, we have to recycle the paper, which may helpful for save the trees, and nearly about 90% of the wood is required for making the paper, so that it will reduce the trees to cutting down. And next one is the another one, recycling of 1 ton of the paper. See, 1 ton of paper, if we recycle, means it saves about 17 trees, so that we have to recycle the paper. Next one is the 1/3 of the tree which are cut used to make the paper, nearly around 1/3 of tree used for cut down, so that it will helpful to save the money as well as the time also it will save if we recycle the paper. And nearly around every 1 ton of the newspaper, 1 tons of newspaper, which helps to generation of the electricity, which saves the energy, which can be useful for the power generation. Like running the television around 31 hours, it will save the energy. So this is all about the recycling of the paper. See, paper is one of the biodegradable substance which can be degradable, that is decomposed by the action of the bacteria. And here there are reasons will be there. If we recycle the paper, it will save the 90% of the trees, it saves the trees, and around 90% of the yearly peoples will cut down the trees for the wood purpose, and later from the wood paper will be produced, and 90% of the wood will be produced and can be prepared the paper. And next one is the 1/10 of the paper can save the 17 trees, and so that we have to recycle the paper. Next, on the 1/3 of the tree can be cut down yearly, so that it will reduce the growth of the plant, and from this it will makes the environment affect, and so that we have to recycle the paper. 1/10 of the newspaper can save the energy, enough energy can be saved, and from this we can utilize this as a power generation, and usually the power generation useful for the television also, and where it will runs around 31 hours, so that it will saves the energy also. So this is all about the recycling of the paper. See, recycling of the paper is why should we recycle the paper? See, instead of getting into the soil, throwing into the dustbin, why we should recycle the paper? And these are the causes or the reasons where we can say that the paper is very essential, and which can be saves the energy, and which saves the time and saves the money also, and which saves the trees, and we can save our nature also. So this is all about the recycling of the paper. Next we shall move on to the plastic, a boon or the curse. See, boon is nothing but the gift, curse is nothing but the adverse effect or the harmfulness of the plastic. Plastic, a boon or curse. See, boon is nothing but gift. See, usually the plastic items we use in our daily life. When we wake up, we go to washroom, where thereby we brush our teeth, and even our brush is also made up of a plastic. Brush, comb, and insulators. Usually the insulators useful for the electrician, so that the wires will made up of a plastic, and which can't be affect for the human while touching, so that electrician useful. It, and brush, table, shoes, table, shoes, etc. We use a lot of plastic in our daily day-to-day life, where we can say that plastic is one of the boon for us, and it is one of the man-made material. See, plastic is one of the man-made material, and even brush, comb, insulators, table, shoes, etc. We can't imagine our life without plastic, since very much we are addicted this plastic. So this, in fact, these things are made up of the plastic, and it is very difficult to imagine our life without plastic. And next one is the, see, in wherever we go for buying purpose, or for any market to buy the food items, and any other things, we should use the polythene bag, and to carry the instead of taking the polythene bag, we have to take the jute bag or the gunny bag we have to take, and so that we have to minimize the use of the plastic in such a time. And see, usually the polythene bag we observe in the roadside, where lying outside, and not only to the outside, in many other situation we can see the polythene bag or the objects which are made up of a plastic, and that's why the pollution will be takes place, and like that air pollution, water pollution, and also the soil pollution will be produced or generate, and thereby we can cause many other diseases and disorders which are going to take place in our body. And see, this is all about the harmfulness also the plastic will produce. Not only it is a boon, and it also acts as a curse for the nature and for the living creature in the environment. See, the excessive use of the plastic will harmful for us in the following ways, in which one by one I will write on the board. See, as we all know that plastic is one of the biodegradable substance which can't be degraded or decompose by the action of the bacteria. Non biodegradable. So plastic is one of the non-biodegradable substance which can't be degraded by the action of the bacteria. So that we have to minimize the use of plastic, and instead of the plastic we have to use the polythene jute bag or the cloth bag. We have to carry the food items. And next one is the people often fill the garbage in the plastic. People fill the garbage in plastic. See, often we observe that the people will fill the garbage in the plastic cover, and so that when the stray animals comes to eat such garbage, along with the garbage they eat up by the plastic, so that it will choke will be happen, and thereby it will lost its life. And so that we have to keep it in mind that whenever we throw the garbage we have to pack it with the paper instead of packing with the plastic. And see, it will affect for the stray animals which are present in the outside, and where they will come and eat up by this waste. And next one is the packaging of eatable plastic in the is dangerous. Packaging the eatables in plastic cover or the plastic items will packaging, so that when the food items or the which are present in the packaging, which if it is hot or warm will be present, means slowly the plastic will melt. Along with the plastic the food items will be mix up. When we eat such eatables, then we occur a disease and disorders will be takes place in our body, and so that we also lost our life from this doing by excessive use of the plastic. Next one is the all kinds of plastics are given out harmful, and see, usually the plastic will release the harmful gases. Harmful gases. See, harmful gases usually when we burnt or when we heated the plastic will release, and these harmful gases if we inhale means we get the asthma and many other airborne diseases. See, if we throw into the soil, then soil gets polluted. Air pollution, soil pollution will be takes place. If we throw the water, this plastic means the water will get polluted, so that we have to think it over. And these plastic we can make it use, and if it is not useful means we have to keep it in mind that we throw into the dustbin, so that it will recycle for many other purpose, and new product will be obtained, thereby we again use this plastic. And see, usually the harmful gases will affect for the human life and also the living creature of the earth, so that when the birds and different animals will inhale, then they will also get the many disorders and diseases, and many health hazard will be takes place in the nature, and these health hazard will suffer only by the living creature present in the environment. And see, this is all about the harmful effects of the plastic. Next we shall move on to the minimize, how to minimize the plastic usage of the plastic, how to minimize we will learn, in which first one is the excessive and improper use of the plastic may cause the harm to the animals and the living creature. To minimize or see, to minimize overuse of plastics. So in which first one is the excessive and improper use of the plastic may be curse for the humankind. See, excessive and improper use which creates a plastic for dangerous for the environment, and we can take with the disposal of the plastic waste. Some of the ways to reduce the plastic waste are, see, one by one I will tell you. We should not use the plastic bags. See, we should not use the plastic bags. See, we should not use the plastic bags to store the eatables. To store eatables. See, wherever the eatable food items will be present means we should not store the eatable ones in the plastic bags or the plastic covering. Should not see, first one is plastic bags or to store the eatables ones. We should not use the plastic bags to store the eatables ones. And the second one is never burn the plastic bags, as it release the harmful gases, and many other smoke will be released, so that it will affect for the human life and also for other living creature. Plastics should not burnt, as it release the gases and smoke. And the next one is the we should not put garbage in the plastic bags. Garbage in plastic bags. So we should not use the garbage in the plastic bags, so that when if we throw means the stray animals will come and eat the garbage along with the plastic, and thereby they lost their lives. Next one is the we should use the vermicomposting at homes and deal with our kitchen waste usefully, and we should recycle the paper. We should recycle paper, so that it will useful for the save the trees and save the money and save the time also. And 90%, as I told you, 90% of the wood which comes from the which cut down the tree, then only we get the wood, and from this wood we can prepare the paper. And like that we should recycle the paper, so that we can save the 17% of the 17% of the trees we can save. And next one is the we should not use the plastic bags to store the food items, and we should make minimum use of the plastic bags. Many purposes we will follow, and we have to adapt by thinking it over and make use of minimum use of plastic. Instead of the plastic, many jute bags and the cotton bags will be present, so that whenever we go outside for buying purpose, we have to take the cotton bag or the jute bag instead of the polythene bag or the plastic bag. And next one is the we should insist the shopkeeper to use the paper bag. As a good citizens, we have to insist the shopkeeper to use cotton bags. So this is all about the overuse or minimize the use of the plastic. These are the following methods which we can implement in our daily life. See, in which first one is the plastic bags to store the eatables one, and we should not use the plastic bags to store the eatable ones, since if the food items will be warm or warm will be there, means the plastic bags will melt it slowly, and along with these food items or the eatables will mix us, and later which causes to the body. And next one is the plastic should not burn, as it release the harmful gases like smoke, and different types of poisonous gas will release. When we inhale such air, then it damage to our body, which causes asthma, and many other airborne diseases will be caused. And garbage, see, we should not throw the garbage in the plastic bags, as the stray animals will comes and eat the foodstuffs, and they also may get the suffer from the various types of diseases and disorders which are going to take place in their bodies. So that we have to minimize the use of the garbage by using the plastic bags. We should recycle the paper, so that it will save the time also, and it saves the plants also. 17% of the trees will save by recycling paper. Next one is the make minimum use of the plastic. See, we have to reduce by adopting many implementation like that. Wherever we go for marketing purpose, for buying any other purpose, we have to use cotton bag instead of using the plastic bag. And we acts as a good citizen in the environment, we should insist the shopkeeper to use the cotton bag instead of the polythene bag. See, this is all about the minimum use or overuse of the plastic bags. So this is all about the today's class, and many points will be there. So in this chapter we will learn these points, I will tell one by one now. See, waste is nothing but those materials which are non-useful or no further useful for us, and such a type of substance are called as waste. And we all know that biodegradable as well as non-biodegradable. As the biodegradable substance which can be used by the action of the microorganisms, whereas the non-biodegradable substance where doesn't have the action of the microorganisms. And these non-biodegradable substance like plastic, metals and glasses are the example for the non-biodegradable substance. Next one is the compost. See, compost is nothing but the manure made from the garbage is called as compost. And vermicompost we also learned by the action of the worms like earthworm as well as the red worms recycle, and which can be converted into the compost and thereby utilized for large scale where the crop will be there. And see, for growing crops it will vermicomposting is very essential, and which recycle the nutrient and thereby the plants will grow. And which the vermicomposting is very essential. We can useful in our day-to-day life by planting the trees like that. For gardening purpose also this vermicomposting is very essential. Next one is the recycling. Recycling is nothing but converting or the conversion of the waste material into useful things. We call it as a recycling. And also the government will adopt implement the 3RS rule as well as the 4RS rule, where 3RS reuse, reduce as well as the recycle, and the 4RS rule reuse, reduce and recycle. And we should respect our nature and natural resources. As a good citizens we have to respect our nature. Instead, if we not respect our nature, then environment will not respect to us, and which may creates polluted, and later we only suffer from these. And instead of us, other creature will also suffer from this damage. And see, this is all about the today's class. We will meet in the next class if possible. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.